I had to stop here, man. What? Oh my god. Absolutely insane. Alright, so now the mission is to find the campsite before it rains. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Oh shit! Riding bicycle in this town is really fun because it's so beautiful. Alright, so I just arrived at this campsite. In case if you're wondering, how do I transform my bicycle to a motorbike? I just couldn't handle it. It's so hard to go uphill, so I exchanged my bicycle and I got a motorbike. It's surrounded by these tall, beautiful trees, and yeah, I am going into the campsite now. Alright, so what a bummer. The guy just told me that this campsite is full. And he was like kind of, alright. So, guess I'm not camping here. Mission failed. I couldn't find a campsite. They're all full. So I know a place. It's a pretty cool place. Here's this travel lodge. Let's check it out. Alright, that's not bad. This is gonna be the bed for tonight. It's pretty cool. Got a nice little toilet over here. Aha! It's like 7 USD. And dude, this is so good for 7 USD. Are you kidding me? So yeah. There we are, Cameron Tea Valley. It's the second largest tea valley here in Cameron Highlands, and over time it gained a lot of popularity. As you can see, people just chill out there, have a cup of tea. People just chill out there, have a cup of tea, and they can go in here. But my goal is a little bit different. I want to go. Long before they started construction of these fences, I went deep inside the valley and it was beautiful. But now it's not allowed to go. But I'm still gonna try to go inside and take some drone shots. Alright, I'm just walking down the road away from the people, because that's the main goal. I just want to get away from people and get lost in the nature.
Ah, would you just look at that? Ah, would you look at these flowers? Ah, would you look at that?
Alright, so I just came to this place and apparently I can go down here, and I just got a wristband and I'm gonna get some sick drone shots, man. What? Alright, so we got about 1.5 hours. So there are no drones allowed. What? Are you kidding me? Alright, so here's the deal. I'm inside now and I'm right here. My goal is to go all the way somewhere up there, behind there, somewhere around there, and fly my drone. This is unreal. This place always reminds me of Narnia or some place out of this world, because man, it's beautiful. Hello. I'm really out there. Alright, I am really far away from people. As you can see. I don't know if you can tell, but that's the road where I started walking from, and These clouds are looking insane. I'm headed behind this hill and try to find a higher ground to fly the drone.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life.
I think I found my spot right on top of this hill. It feels so good to be doing the things that nobody else is willing to do, and it's for me, it's all about that shot. Woohoo! Oh my god.
I run away.
I did it. Oh god damn, that was really amazing. But now it's time to get the hell out of here. Clouds are coming in, started to rain, making my way back to the shelter. Good morning, party people. Now that I've got some coffee in my system, it's time to start the day. And the moment I've been waiting for, I'm headed into the Mossy forest alone, and I'm gonna hike there. Look at the sun popping out, man. This is beautiful. I had to stop here, man. What? Oh my god. Absolutely insane. Alright, party people, I am headed the Mossy forest right now, and the road is uphill and it's not recommended to go by motorbike. So it's pretty narrow and kind of tricky, but it's really beautiful. Look at that. Woo! The bike is struggling to go up. Oh my god. So I just discovered this abandoned house in the middle of nowhere and decided to stop here to take some photos. Look at this. It's so photogenic. It's filled with, this whole parking lot is filled with off-roading vehicle. And I just did it, I made it. YOLO. We are 2,000 meter high. The visibility is just amazing. I'm gonna try to fly my drone from here, if I can. Mossy forest now. As expected, it's really humid, but it's beautiful. And it's really peaceful out here. It's so calm. The wind is... There's a little breeze and it's a bit cold. It's just perfect weather. The visibility is clear. I just got some really good drone shots up there on the watchtower.